My goodness. I'm not real sure what that one is. I've never caught one of these before. Oh, he bit me. He's got teeth. To move on down the road here a little bit. These little fish are getting my bait. Oh my goodness. They got peed all over my boat. Not nice. I don't know, it's a black drum. Yeah, he's a nice one. Easy, buddy. Now, get that hook out of your mouth. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Let somebody else catch him. The black drum, I think. Yeah, it is, I'm seeing. The reds will run sideways. These will run sideways and then turn, come back, and then turn. They got zigzag on the way in. That I caught. Hear that drumming noise they make? Look at that. That's another one of those shad looking things. I'm not sure what those are. I need to take a picture and find out. They're pretty though. And they have a tooth. Look at that tooth. They got me last time I brought one in. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, got me again. See it? Tooth right up there at the front. Two at the top. Two at the top and several little bitty ones at the bottom. Fighter though. What? Look at there. I don't know what those are. Number 3 though. That's a bigger one. Search on and take a picture and be sure what I got here. So anyway, I'll find out. I just told Richard you weren't over here, and there you are. Good golly, Richard. And getting a little bigger. That's another catfish. I'm gonna tell you what, we're catfish lucky, aren't we? That's a red there. Ooh, that. Ooh, he's a big one, isn't he? Up here by that grass. Look at there. He's gonna be too big to keep. That's okay though. You're gonna have to tire him out. Yeah, not yet. I don't know about him, Richard. He don't want to come in, does he? All right, here he comes. Get under him, get under him. You got him. Whew. He's a nice one, Richard. Come here, buddy. Whew. I'll probably have to. I think he's longer than 28, but I'm gonna measure him. Gotta let him go. A little bit too big. Yes, sir. I hadn't seen your fish yet, Richard. But he's right over there, isn't he? There he is again. Well, I'm not real sure what he is, but I'm pretty sure he's a red because of the way he was running a while ago. Oh. But no, he's under the boat now, Richard. Oh, yes. It's a red. Let me get the net out. I think you tired him out, Richard. But if you don't want your thumb looking like mine, you might want to use that rag. Don't flip, buddy. Put your finger in front of Now we're going to let you go. There you go. These are some rough seas. Almost back to the creek though.